Hey guys, I'm back. I know this wasn't really a long time, but my friend just found the black crystal.
Yeah, it's right here.
He's gonna tell you where to find it.
Well, when we get out of here, I'll show you where to go.
Sorry, this is kind of like out of the blue. It's just, I like just stop this. But we're gonna...
Once you're in this corridor, you drop down, and you see the store, you break it open, you go over here. It's gonna be a holocron right there, I already got it.
Jump up there, I'm guessing.
See! Some guys with lightsabers here. Over here, you get the black crystal, the one that I'm using currently.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna stop playing, so we can make the transaction. You ready to see me play?
I'm going to find the golden crystal.
Where is it?
That's why you should. I'm kidding.
He's gonna try to see if he can get me the bone crystal. Tell them, is it around here?
I think it's on this level. If I do remember, they're dying somehow. Oh yeah, fire. Thank you.
He has a Sith suit on. I forgot to tell you that. And also, this is on the Wii. I also forgot to tell you that one in the first episode. The first episode is just telling you about some stuff. Second episode. Yeah. Tell him who that is.
General Prada.
You fight with them here. Have to fight those guys.
When I first
And he's using mind trick.
There's the ones that I don't have control on. I just go in. Oh, come on.
Spin those people like a balls.
Keep on missing. Oh. You dead? Yes, no. Some barbecue me, some Imperial Guard.
Guys, watch this. You guys should check out The Force Unleashed 2. Just called The Force Unleashed 2 from the beginning, episode 1. You guys should watch that. That's gonna be another one by me. I'm actually gonna show at the beginning. Show you guys stuff, and I'll go, and I'm gonna choose number, probably just easy. So yeah, again. There we go, that's him. You like the nunchuck? And then what I got?
Sexy.
All black. And then that's my foster sister. Using force rage like a boss. Sorry, like a boss.
Not the ball. Walking slow motion.
Well, this was basically supposed to show you where the black crystals are. It's kind of random from me on. Well, please push the like button if you like this, and feel free to leave a comment. Peace.